Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. In this session, we want to discuss about direct time study method. Direct time study, also known as stopwatch time study, involves the direct and continuous observation of a task using a stopwatch or other timekeeping device to record the time taken to accomplish a task. While observing and recording the time, an appraisal of the worker's performance level is made. These data are then used to compute the standard time for the task, aiding an allowance for personal time, fatigue, and delays. Direct time study was the first work measurement techniques to be used, dating back to around 1883. And this shows that this direct time study method had been used a long time ago. There are 5 steps, or 5 procedures in direct time study methods. The procedure for determining the standard time for a task using direct time study can be summarized in the following 5 steps. First, define and document the standard method. Second procedure, divide the task into work elements. Steps 1 and 2 are preliminary steps before actual timing begins, during which the analyst becomes familiar with the task and attempts to improve the work procedure before defining the standard method. So, first and second procedure is important to make sure all the work element be defined clearly and be documented as a standard method. Next, the third procedure, time the work elements to obtain the observed time, or T observe, observation times, followed by the fourth procedure, evaluate the worker's pace relative to standard performance to obtain the normal time. So in the fourth procedure, we determine the performance rating level of the workers. So from here, we get this normal time. In step 3 and 4, several work cycles are timed, each one performance rated independently. Finally, the values collected in step 3 and 4 are averaged to determine the normalized time. And the last procedure is to apply the allowance factor to compute the standard time. Here, the allowance factor. An appropriate allowance factor for the kind of work involved is then added to compute the standard time for the task. In conclusions, direct time study is an observation of a task which the time been recorded using any device suitable. At the same time, we determine the performance level of the workers. So from the time observed, we determine the normal time, and next we determine the allowance so that we can get the standard time. So from observation time, with the performance rating value, we can determine the normal time, and after we have known the allowance factor, then we can get the standard time. So from T observed to T normal to T standard. Observation time, normal time, and standard time. So in the next sessions, we will examine each of these procedures in detail. So thank you for these sessions.